Okay, so it may not be the most traditional Christmas gift, but plastic surgery is actually a huge hit around the holiday season. Whether you're getting something done yourself or gifting a friend, non-surgical procedures tend to go up in December, including lip procedures. So our health reporter Haley Hernandez joins us now with tips on how to avoid the dreaded duck lips.
When you think about having a lip procedure, you may worry about leaving the doctor's office with duck lips. And this morning, one of Bravo's Real Housewives is sharing her secret, a less invasive procedure that shows instant results.
I feel like things are just starting to fall, and I don't want to necessarily go and get the surgery.
No, you don't need it.
At 48 years young, Real Housewife Tamara Judge enlists Eve's botched doc, Dr. Nassif, and creator of Nassif Skincare, to give her some filler love.
Tamara, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to numb up your lips, a little bit of numbing cream, and also your smile lines. What we're going to do today is use some Juvederm to gently put some filler in Tamara's lips, and also just some gentle filler right here in her little nasolabial folds or smile.
So, will there be any pain?
She has some very good numbing cream on. However, it still hurts a little bit. Let's see. This is a little vibrating device.
Dr. Nassif,
I know.
this is not what I signed up for.
All jokes aside, the doc says that device will help the brain focus less on the pain. First up, smile line.
So I just put this little blunt cannula. We're introducing the Juvederm into the smile line. How you doing?
Good.
Am I hurting you?
Nope.
So that's your smile lines. And those are through 2 little pokes, no bruising, no nothing.
Next, the lip injections.
This you won't even feel it because this needle is so small. I mean, we just completed the left side, just the upper and lower. All right, let's do the right side now. So what do you think, girl?
I think it looks good.
Fillers are usually priced per syringe injected. Total costs usually range between $500 and $2,000. Haley Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.